Ever wondered how to create a poll on Facebook? Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Solution. Today, I'll walk you through simple steps to set up your own poll and get some valuable feedbacks from your friends. So let's dive into it. Open the Facebook app on your device. Go to your profile or home feed and tap on What's on Your Mind text box to create a new post. In the post creation screen, tap on the three dots at the bottom right to open more options. Tap on poll from the available options. Add your choices by typing them in the option 1 and option 2 fields. You can add more choices if needed by tapping on the add option. In the poll creation screen, enter your question in the Ask Us Anything field. Once you're done, tap on the post to share your poll with your friends or followers. And that's how you can create a poll on Facebook. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll never miss any of our upcoming videos.